So I was invited to watch my friends do CrossFit. So sasamahan natin sila and titignan natin kung ano yung mga ginagawa talaga nila on a daily basis sa CrossFit. Matagal na din nila akong ini-invite pero hindi ko talaga siya kaya. I think hindi ko siya kaya. Or maybe tinatamad lang ako talaga. I've been there a few times na. I know what they do. Nakaka-inspire. Kasi grabe yung discipline nila. And grabe yung pinagkagagawa nila talaga. Saludo ako sa kanila. Ayan, sinira na naman nila. May inaayos na naman kahit hindi naman talaga sira. From where I live, parang 30 to 40 minutes na walk siya. So it's kind of far but near. Huy! Nakakap tayo for today's video. It's because ang pangit ng buhok ko. Kahit sinusuklayan ko na siya. Grabe, pinagpapawisan na ako. As a pawisin person, itigil na natin to. So this is Birmingham. This is Birmingham on a fine Sunday, 9:20 a.m. This is Bullring, yung sikat na mall. I mean, the only mall dito sa city center. Look at the view. Ang saya pala maglakad on a Sunday morning kasi wala masyadong tao. And very peaceful lang siya. And it so happened na maganda yung weather. Because for the past days, very gloomy and rainy yung weather. So it's good na sunny today. Grabe guys, I'm sweating. Sweating like a sweatshirt. Ganda talaga ng sun. Oh. Face card. So, andito tayo ngayon sa Digbeth. It's an area in Birmingham na actually di ko alam. Para siyang napag-iwanan na factory site. Tapos maraming mga graffiti on the side. On the side. Ang ganda talaga ng weather. The sun is sunning. Ayan o, graffiti. Ang daming graffiti dito guys. Well actually, ang gagawin ko talaga today ay videohan yung mga friends ko. Kasi parang last week na nila to be together working out dun sa CrossFit location na yun. Kasi some of them are moving out to the new CrossFit branch. Ayun. So parang nagiging sentimental sila. Ayan, another graffiti. The artist is artisting. Ayan o, kung makikita nyo, across the street, graffiti na naman. Guys, 3 oras na kami naglalakad. Si OA! So this is what I meant, na para siyang abandonadong factory site. Huy! Diba o, yung parang kanto dyan, parang scene sa isang movie na nagdi-deal, gano'n. Oh, ganyan siya. Pero you know, don't judge the book by its cover. Because sometimes, life is beautiful as it is. But mostly here sa Digbeth guys is may mga hidden gems. Marami mga cafes, restaurants na to be fair naman, mga masasarap. And it kinda makes you want it more. So nakalimutan ko palang mag-video guys the moment I've arrived, pero andito na kami sa CrossFit and ganito yung itsura niya, para siyang old warehouse tapos may mga equipment at essentially yan lang yung place nila to work out. Yeah! Since Sunday today, meron silang tinatawag na Sunday Roast. So basically, meron silang sets of workout na kailangan nilang gawin by pair and not necessarily on a competition basis. And they can do as many reps as possible, so depende nilang sa pair kung ano yung dynamics nila. So ngayon nagwa-warm up na yung mga pairs and basically yung ginagawa nila ay yung workout na inintroduce sa kanila at the start of their day. So the actual Sunday roast ay naglalast ng approximately 35 minutes. And so for the following clips, ito yung actual Sunday roast nila. Enjoy! At syempre, hindi pwedeng wala tayong special appearance na para bang siya yung coach nila for the day. Congrats! Tapos na kayo niyan.
Stretching.
Second stretching. Oh?
We finished. All scaled down.
Kung ako sa mga buhat yung gano'n, ay, wala mo.
Pag isang kamay mo lang yan, walang yaka.
How did CrossFit change your life?
CrossFit did not change my life. I changed CrossFit.
Mariel.
Me? Same. No, same me.
No copying of answers.
No copying.
Hindi ko kaya.
Dali na.
EJ.
CrossFit.
Dali na, hindi ko si Kelly. Go,
Kelly.
CrossFit made me strong.
Wow.
I believe CrossFit can change your life.
Go to CrossFit if you want community and fun.
Aljon! Aljon! So guys, ngayon lang natapos yung workout nila and it was really good. Grabe, na-inspire ako. Wow! So ayun pala yung tinatawag nilang Sunday roast. Ang dami nilang ginagawa and meron silang goal and by pair sila. So nakita nyo naman sa mga clips. So ayun lang yung ginawa ko. Nag-video, binidyoan ko lang sila kasi last week na nila together because some of them are moving out to a new place. And ngayon, pupunta kami sa Nando's para kumain. O diba, after CrossFit, magnanandos sila.
Bahala mo kayo.
Sana naman ang mga CrossFitters.
Sabi ko,
Kuya Aljo ng face of
kaya ako ay kasi.
Bakit?
So, sabi mo yung kasi Rascal.
na ang bagong rascal.
Logo pala.
Rascal yung aso, di ba?
Siya na siya.
Alam mo
Ganun siya,
kanina,
Hala, mamimiss nyo yung dyan.
Me, yung mga halos na nandun.
Lilipat. Kasi hindi
So
nila
kami
mamimiss.
talaga.
ang dalawa talaga
Tsaka
ni
si ano
Mario.
na lang, yung mga nagka-hyrok siguro.
Ay, hindi nag-video sila kahapon.
So, hi guys! Kakatapos lang namin mag-lunch. Hindi ko na binidyohan yung sa Nando's kasi kumakain kami and nagkukwentuhan kami. So, ngayon, pauwi na tayo. And tapos na yung roll ko kanina. Super nag-enjoy naman ako watching them because it feels like ang gagaling nila talaga, guys. Pero nakaka-inspire kasi you know, they really have this community na nagsasuportahan and ayun, walang judgment. So next time, pag-iisipan ko kung sasali ba ako. But one thing na na-realize ko is if you have a very supportive community, all else will follow. So ngayon, back to regular programming. Mag-aayos na naman tayo kasi lilipat tayo ng flat by the end of the week. And hindi pa kami fully nakapag-pack. Ang daming gamit, guys, tas sira pa yung elevator namin. So, I don't know kung paano namin yon gagawin. But hopefully, magiging maayos na yung elev namin by the time na lilipat kami or before that. Grabe, the sun is very sunning today. Very nice yung weather natin, mga kaibigan. It's very unusual in the UK to have this sunlight. Like, mapapasabi ka talaga ng, ano to? Ba't may araw? Ganon. I'm so grateful for today. Grateful ako sa weather. Grateful ako sa people around me. But kidding aside, I wanna be grateful for everything that has happened to me so far. Lahat naman ng nangyayari sa akin ngayon is blessing naman sa taas. So, wag nating kalimutan na magpasalamat. Ang cringe pala magsalita, guys, habang naglalakad. Tapos, alam mo yon, nakaproject yung cam. But I guess, kailangan ko na siyang gawin. Kailangan ko na siyang matutunan kasi, you know, yung career natin is pagbablog na. Sorry. Pero ang masasabi ko din, guys, ang sarap-sarap ng Nando's talaga. It's been 3 months siguro since my last Nando's. And I would say this is closest we've got here in the UK sa Mang Inasal. Grabe, ang sarap talaga, guys. I will highly recommend for those kababayans natin na nasa UK, try out their Nando's. For sure, alam niyo naman na yun. So, ayun lang, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel and aabangan nyo ang mga upcoming vlogs ko. So, hindi ko alam kung kailan ulit, pero aabangan nyo yan, okay? That's it for today and I'll see you in the next vlog. Bye! 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 Grabe, sira pa din yung elev, guys. Ayan, nagsistairs muna kami. Tapos, nasa 7th floor pa kami. Ano yung flat namin, 7th floor. Nasa 3rd floor pa lang tayo. Diba na? Hindi na kaya ng mga trentahin. But you know what they say? No pain, no gain. Uy, may nakita ko naglilipat. Para na din ako nag-crossfit. Grabe, nasa 5th floor pa lang kami. Wow. 5th floor. My God. Hindi na kaya. Tsaka buti na lang talaga, nalilipat na kami this week. Pero sana naman magiging okay na yung elevator. 6th floor, last floor na, guys. Kaya natin to. Konti na lang. Ay, salamat. Salamat. Ayan yung view. The view. I love you. So, nakauwi na tayo, guys. And, ayun, magpapahinga muna ako. Grabe talaga yung lakad akyat. Grabe. But anyway, I'll see you in my next vlog, guys. Thank you for watching. And please comment down below if may mga gusto pa kayong contents or mga gagawin ko for this channel. Bye!